Troubadours are the best collection of great songwriters from the late 60s, early 70s.
Joni Mitchell, Carole King, Simon and Garfunkel.
Could drink a case of you.
Neil Young, Van Morrison.
Yeah, it makes me righteous, yeah, it makes me whole.
James Taylor.
Carolina, can't you see the sunshine?
Bob Dylan.
Tangled up in blue.
This is really just some of the best music ever written, and it's such a joy to perform with this group of people in this particular show.
I just wanna hold you, I don't wanna hold you down.
So we're celebrating that whole era of music, the late 60s into the 70s, those fabulous, amazing songs. So come and celebrate with us and enjoy it.
Don't you remember you told me you loved me, baby?